Hey my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to do glittery eye makeup with full coverage makeup look. I'm starting with hydrating my skin from my favorite Milagro Beauty oil, gently massaging it all over my face. For eye base, I'm using Makeup Studio Face It Foundation palette. I'm mixing two shades for eye base. First, I'm layering around 80% of shade yellow all over my eye, then applying 20% of shade oriental on the top of it. Now blending them together from inner corner to the outer corner of my eyes. Let's start painting our eyes. For this, I'm using Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, taking pale yellow and skin color for upper crease, moving my brush in windshield wiper motion for blending my eyeshadow properly. Next, I'm using coral brown shade, placing my blending brush between lower and upper crease and merging this shade with the first shade. Now for my lower crease, I'm using dark brown color for giving depth to my eyes. Please note that all your colors must be merged together. No harsh lines should be visible. Now applying golden bronze shade shimmer at the center of my eyes. Your shimmer and matte, both the shadows should be merged together. Stretching my eyebrow and applying shimmer base by pressing the brush on my eyelid. Time for the star of the show. I'm using Golden Glitter by Lit Cosmetic and Glitter Glue by Pack Cosmetic. Applying the glue on the center of my eyelid, let it get dry a little bit. Then taking glitter on my brush, depositing it wherever I have applied glue. Doing same for the other eye also. Time for creating full coverage base. For this, I'm starting with concealing my dark areas using LA Girl Pro Concealer under my eyes, around the side of my nose, mouth area and forehead. Blending it properly till all my pigmentation is covered. Next for foundation, I'm using Face It Foundation by Makeup Studio and applying it all over my face.
Here's the tip of the video. Many girls aren't able to blend their foundation properly. So if you want to make the consistency of your foundation more blendable, then always mix 2-3 drops of beauty oil in your foundation. It will make the consistency of your foundation more blendable.
Applying it all over my face. And again blending it religiously so that it looks like my skin only. Matching my neck with my face. On my ears too. For highlighting, I'm using Makeup Studio Face It palette, applying it under my eyes, on bridge of my nose, around mouth and forehead. For contouring, I'm using Krylon Supra color in shade NG2. Cutting my cheekbones, jawlines, and blending it with the foundation, and certainly reducing 5 kgs from my face. Locking my base with Maybelline Fit Me powder in shade medium, applying it under my eyes and all over my face. For blusher, I'm using MAC blusher for those cute little apple of my cheeks. Next, I'm using Maybelline gel eyeliner for doing my eyeliner. Coating my lashes with my all-time favorite Maybelline Volume Express Mascara. And now applying lashes. You can skip applying lashes too, it's a matter of your choice. Now highlighting the inner corner of my eyes using light color shimmer shade. When you highlight your inner corners, it opens up your eyes. For brows, I am taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow. For Kohl, I am using Wet n Wild Nude Kohl. You can use any nude kohl or white kohl according to your choice. And again using dark brown color under my eye waterline, smudging it. For fixing my makeup, I am using Fix It by Makeup Studio. And for highlighter, I'm using Forever 52 highlighter palette. This is my favorite step. Finally, time for lipper. For lipper, I'm using Maybelline Sensational Liquid Lipstick.
Some keep a diary, seems like a fantasy, but it may require some love and desire, something to cover me. There's never a guarantee that loving is so easy. Some may define it as sugar